Welcome to the farm, everyone. Today, I have a fun game for you all, a trait treasure hunt.
Trait treasure hunt? What do we have to do? Look! This puppy's fur is the same brown color as the mother. But that one has white spots, just like the father.
Now, let's try matching these baby animals to their parents using traits like fur color, size, and shapes.
Hey kids, let me tell you a little secret of science. Traits come from genes, tiny codes inside every living thing.
Genes? Like a recipe for how we look?
Hello kids! I'm Captain AHS. Today, we're going to look at baby animals and try to match them with their parents using clues from inherited traits like fur, feathers, or even eye color. Let's be trait detectives!
Welcome to the farm, everyone. Today, I have a fun game for you all, a trait treasure hunt.
Trait treasure hunt? What do we have to do?
You'll look closely at babies, the offspring, and their parents. Then, you'll try to figure out what traits they got from mom and dad.
Like how I have curly hair like Baba Ali?
Exactly, Mina. That's a trait you inherited from Baba.
Are all traits exactly the same for every baby and parent?
Not always. Sometimes babies have a mix of traits from both parents, or even something a little different.
Look! This puppy's fur is the same brown color as the mother. But that one has white spots, just like the father.
Good eyes, Saro, and Mina. That's how traits can blend or show up in different ways.
I see! The chicks all have different beak sizes.
Yes, beak shape is a trait they get from their parents, but each chick might have slight differences. Now, let's try matching these baby animals to their parents using traits like fur color, size, and shapes.
That little lamb has the same wool color as the big sheep, so they must be family. And these kittens have tails just like their moms, thick and fluffy.
Hey kids, let me tell you a little secret of science. Traits come from genes, tiny codes inside every living thing.
Genes? Like a recipe for how we look?
Exactly. Each of us gets 2 copies of each gene, one from mom and one from dad.
So why do some people have curly hair but some have straight hair?
Because some traits are dominant and others are recessive. Dominant traits usually show up, but recessive traits might hide unless both parents pass them on.
If mom has blue eyes and dad has brown, what color will the baby's eyes be?
We can make a guess, a hypothesis, based on what we know about dominant and recessive genes.
Then, when the baby is born, we check if our hypothesis was right.
Exactly.
Cool. It's like solving a mystery with clues from nature.
Traits aren't only from genes. The environment can change some traits too.
Like how some plants grow taller in the sun but shorter in the shade.
Yes, and people can get a tan from the sun. That's a trait changing because of the environment. Even muscles can get stronger if you exercise a lot.
I remember traits come from parents' genes, but the environment can also change how traits show up.
Exactly, and sometimes, traits surprise us because of how genes mix. Here's something exciting. Even siblings from the same parents can look different. That's because of genetic variation.
What's genetic variation?
It means genes mix in many ways, like shuffling cards before dealing. Each child gets a unique combination.
So it's like a lottery for traits?
Exactly. And scientists use probability to guess which traits might show up.
How do they do that?
With charts called Punnett squares that show all the possible gene pairs a baby might get.
Now it's the time for quiz. Are you ready for a fun quiz to test what you've learned about inherited traits? Let's see if you've got what it takes. It's quiz time. What is an inherited trait? I. A feature passed from parents to offspring. B. A trick learned from others. C. A habit developed over time. The correct answer is I. A feature passed from parents to offspring. Inherited traits are characteristics passed down from parents to their children through genes. Which of these is an example of an environmental effect on traits? A. Curly hair from your father. B. Blue eyes from your mother. C. Tan skin from sunlight. The correct answer is C. Tan skin from sunlight. While traits like eye color are inherited, environmental factors like sun exposure can influence traits such as skin tone, leading to tanning. What do we use to guess what traits a baby might have? A. Magic spells. B. Hypothesis. C. Instructions. The correct answer is B. Hypothesis. In science, a hypothesis is an educated guess that can be tested. Why can siblings from the same parents look different? A. They eat different food. B. They wear different clothes. C. Genetic variation. The correct answer is C. Genetic variation. Siblings inherit a unique combination of genes from their parents, leading to variations in appearance and traits. What is a Punnett square used for? A. Showing possible gene combinations. B. Drawing animal pictures. C. Measuring plant height. The correct answer is A. Showing possible gene combinations. A Punnett square is a tool used in genetics to predict the probability of offspring inheriting particular traits from their parents. Next time, let's dive deeper and learn how to tell the difference between traits we're born with and ones we learn. Get ready to spot the difference between inherited and acquired traits. Don't miss out on more free, interactive lessons. Hit subscribe and join us on the journey to education without boundaries.